Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Gigi Perfectface here, and today I'm going to be talking about this wig. Her name is Janelle in the Cloud 9 collection. I don't know if they still do wigs from the Wet Lace collection. I'm not sure. I guess they do. But yeah, I had her for 8 months, y'all. This is what she's looking like. I filmed a full video on her, but I deleted her because I wasn't really feeling how that turned out. But I can insert some clips of how she was looking when I first got her and how she's looking now. So you guys, this synthetic wig can be revamped and last. And I didn't cut no hair off of this wig. I know some people cut the ends off to make that look more, you know, I guess cause when it's too ratty, they cut the ends off. I didn't do that. I just literally, I soaked the wig and then I flat ironed it with hot water and conditioner. So it's basically like when you steam your wig, so I don't have a steamer, so yeah, I just did, you know, the hot water stuff. But it's basically like steaming your wig and getting the rattiness out. And I also used some conditioner. I didn't put any makeup in this wig. I feel like y'all can kind of see a piece of my lace, so that's kind of bothering me. Let me fix that. And I went in with some baby hairs. I do love how these baby hairs turned out in this one. I really feel like I could have left that out. I'm starting out, I don't know, like she just could have been, you know, left out. Like, I don't know, y'all, I might push her back. I gave you guys a glimpse of what I was doing with the edges and then what I did with the like deep side part thing that I tried to do. I would have made it a little deeper like with the edges, but girl, she's still cute. This what's gonna do for now. She's still cute. After 8 months, y'all, this is what my synthetic wigs look like. This looks brand new. Like this looks just like some of the wigs from Amazon that people spend $100 on. Which is still like affordable, but you know what I'm saying. Like, so this is just proof that your syntheticas can be revamped and reinstalled, and it's not always have to throw it away, trash it. It was bushy and ratty like in the back, but you guys can clearly see that it's not anymore. Of course, it's not super extremely silky, like, but she isn't like ratty and bushy. This is the back of the wig. She's not ratty and bushy. She's not silky as I want her to be, but she's not like god awful compared to, you know, some wigs that I've had. She definitely came back to life. I definitely have to get her in a 1B or number 2 maybe for like an everyday unit. But right now I have her in Burgundy Wine and she's giving what she's supposed to give. I don't have much to say about her. Like, she's just doing what she has to do. She's serving what needs to be served. After 8 months, since September, this girl is still holding up, and her name is Janelle. I never really got any cute pictures with her, so I had to install her, and I, you know, did what I had to do to bring her back to life. And it wasn't really too much of anything. I didn't really have to do much of nothing, but I did go in and kind of make the deep side part effect and try to do that trendy hairstyle. I tried my best. I feel like this is kind of interfering with the whole look, and that's kind of pissing me off, this little one swoop thing. Like, everything else look cute, but when I get to that, it's just, I don't know, it's not doing what I needed to do. But I'm loving her, y'all, and it's like side part thing. It's kind of cute. It is cute, actually. What I mean, kind of. And she looks a little wet right now because I went in with some water and kind of flat ironed her a little bit. Like, this is no mattiness, no nothing anymore. Like, it looks just like when I bought it. So this would be a wig that I recommend you guys go get because it's like a really, but as y'all can see, she kind of has like a slight layer effect in it. Not a super new unit. She's been out for a little minute. She's not really super thick, she's not super thick and not overly too full in density. I do wish she was a tad bit fuller on the ends of the wig, but maybe that'll be for the best. She's a 13 by 6. She's a synthetic wig, obviously, y'all. Well, she is a little skimpy in a parting space department as far as the 6 parting inch or whatever it's called, y'all. And yeah, I say this hair can be flat ironed to up to 350, 400, the usual. Says it has an undetectable flawless hairline. This is the hairline, you guys. This is what she's looking like. This is what she's giving. I just really, y'all, I really hate this. Y'all, I think I might be done with the little swoops because it's not, it's just making me cringe. Oh my God, because everything else is just giving what I needed to give, and this is just like, no. But it's perfect hairline with baby hair along the hairline. Of course, most people are going to swoop the pre-made ones back and make their own baby hairs. And she also comes in the natural color. Go back and get her in a 1B or maybe a number 2. She comes in burgundy, all the flamboyage colors. She comes in chocolate. She comes in chocolate, copper, gold. And she also comes in a flamboyage Burgundy Wine. So yeah, y'all, I think she was around $60 too. I paid for her. Okay, make the light be better. I think I paid, and for $60 and this wig to still look like this, like, I mean, of course it didn't just stay looking like this, but for $60 and I had her for 8 months. And I did wear her for a little minute when I was wearing this wig. I was wearing her really consistently. I feel like I was trying to be burgundy was my go-to color. I guess I was trying to stick to this burgundy. So yeah, I was wearing this for like a lot actually. And for her to still be able to come back to life and look like this for only $60, that's a good deal. That you pay, you know, over $100 for can have horrible lace. The lace be too thick. And yeah, it might be human, but the lace is super thick, so it's hard for you to get that, you know, melted look. And right now, for $60, this wig is still looking like this, still holding up after 8 months. So she's almost a year old, and I'm definitely going to bring another one of these wigs into my collection in a natural color. She's from Sensationell. I would definitely check out this wig if you guys want any Sensationell wigs. I feel like this would be the perfect one. If you're looking for any straight wig and you want like all the parting space or a decent amount of parting space, because they be a little skimpy with these 13x6 wigs. They be a little skimpy with the parting space. I love how I snatched up this hairline. If it wasn't for this parting space being snatched, this wig would not be eating like this. Like when I did this, it just gave everything a 360. So I'm definitely going to do that method with my wigs for now on, and like every wig review that you guys see, because I love how it just snatched everything up. Like if it wasn't for that, it just would not be giving what it needs to give. It wouldn't be looking as clean. So now I'm just showing you guys the inch of the wig and how long it is. I'm gonna say it's like a 26 inch or maybe like a 28 inch. I don't know. It do look a little stiff. I probably could have went in with the flat iron a little more. It's just so hard for me to get a Synthetica so straight, but I mean, she still don't look horrible. And let you guys know that I don't just buy these wigs and throw. I actually be planning on keep wearing them like consistently. Well, not consistently, y'all, because I gotta switch it up for you guys and do reviews. But that synthetic wigs, it's possible that they can last and they can come back to life. The only thing about them is they can get really dingy fast, so you have to obviously go in and wash them and stuff. But yeah, more than you would a human wig. So I love how she's look. Look at this. I ate this. This is one of my best wig installs. If it wasn't for this little swoop, I think I'm gonna have to just stop doing it, because it's really irking my nerves. It's starting to be like cringy. Like I don't need you. Like I could have done with just this. So yeah, y'all, make sure y'all stay tuned and see y'all in my next video. I'm out. Bye.